Do you know what is Africa's largest digital banking software application? It is Dafri Bank. Today I am going to tell you about Dafri Bank. Dafri Bank Limited is the latest digital banking software application which the headquarters is located in Africa. It is an internet banking campaign and the core product of Dafri Bank PLC blockchain, in which they perform trading with their token DBA. They target to develop their wallet, cryptocurrencies marketplace, and other business activities. This project was also established to provide decentralized finance by introducing their token in the exchange community, which in return will generate adequate reward to holders for making use of their waste assets. Dafri Bank Limited has the best banking system technology programmed as a breakthrough for various business applications, improving individuals in all aspects of life to be engaging in the digital takeover of blockchain and as well as invest in cryptocurrency trading. Do you know their vision? It is really interesting. Their vision is to be the best financial institution with high software technology in most countries in Africa such as Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, South Africa, etc. This is possible to actualize considering their ultimate digital banking technology services, which will be driving force in the financial sector and to be the only preferred service provider for payment options. They introduce their token in the sector in order to gather more customers through rewarding their investors with adequate returns as well they deserve. So why would you choose this platform other than the other platforms? Other platforms created for payment options are not able to meet the requirements of the African digital business person. This is why they developed a digital payment service provider for Africans. Normal banking systems are still facing some challenges trying to reach out to other customers, especially other people mostly in remote areas, instability in most government in African nations, and the fact the majority of Africans belong to low-income earners has contributed to the challenges faced by African banking system. Most banks in Africa lack the technical know-how required to reach out on these customers who reside in remote part of the country. Dafri Bank intends to incorporate normal banking system in Africa with introduction of cryptocurrency trading, which can be the only options to be adopted to bring banking products and services to people at remote areas. They are continuing to empower various countries in Africa by developing multiple structures that will get people interested in banking by introducing their exclusive technology banking solutions. Let me tell you about the personal account features with Dafri Bank. Opening a personal account with Dafri Bank will be absolutely free of charge as they are not charge you for any ATM withdrawal, no local transfer fees, nor charge for EFT. With their online payment platform, you can make multiple payments to various business customers with no stress. You can also pay through their QR code integrated wallet. As an international business person, they enable you to carry out different kinds of transactions through their internal portal or mobile application without necessary need to visit the bank branches with physical cash. They guarantees their customers easy and safe conversion of currencies, especially for international business purposes. They encourage exchange currencies in USD, GBP, EUR, NIG, JAR, etc. Dafri Bank Limited is the only digital banking system in Africa. They are working towards bringing banking services closer to the rural communities in Africa by integrating normal banking pattern with blockchain's ecosystem. They target to provide multiple tasks for their customers by ensuring they experience a quick and secure way to save money, transfer money, and manage their fund and business when they and wherever they are. So, don't you want to be an part of this amazing platform? So hurry up.